Hi, this is Home's Guide. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered about the cutting-edge advancements in wearable technology? Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 Samsung Galaxy Watch fall detection features that redefine safety and convenience. Whether you're a fitness buff or someone concerned about elderly care, these innovations are designed to impress. From real-time alerts to seamless integration with emergency services, these watches are more than just timepieces, they're lifesavers. Join me as we explore how Samsung Galaxy Watches are setting new standards in smartwatch technology. Ready to be amazed? Stay tuned and discover how these gadgets can make a real difference in your life. So, check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 440mm smartwatch in elegant pink gold, a revolutionary companion for your health and fitness journey. It sets new standards with its innovative features like real-time body composition analysis, providing insights into body fat, muscle mass, and more directly on your wrist. Enjoy better sleep tracking with continuous monitoring of sleep patterns and SpO2 levels, ensuring you wake up refreshed. For heart health, it offers precise ECG monitoring and detects atrial fibrillation, empowering you to share data with your doctor via the Samsung Health Monitor app. Make every workout count with automatic activity recognition for 6 exercises and personalized coaching, while VO2 max readings optimize your runs by tracking oxygen levels. Stay connected with phone features like calls, texts, and music streaming, and access Google services on your wrist for seamless convenience. With GPS and fall detection, this smartwatch ensures safety and connectivity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both advanced health monitoring and everyday usability. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone prioritizing health, the Galaxy Watch 4 excels in keeping you informed and connected throughout your day. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm smartwatch, a powerhouse of health and fitness features packed into a sleek design. Boasting a vivid 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass DX Plus and military-grade durability, it offers a robust yet elegant look that's water-resistant up to 50 meters. Powered by a dual-core 1.15 GHz processor and a 361 mAh battery, it runs smoothly on Android Wear OS with One UI Watch 3, ensuring seamless navigation and performance. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, it includes advanced health monitoring such as ECG and blood pressure tracking, alongside SpO2 measurement using red LEDs and infrared rays. What sets it apart is its LTE capability, enabling standalone use for calls, messages, and Samsung Pay, making it an ideal companion for active lifestyles where staying connected is crucial. Whether you're tracking your runs, monitoring sleep cycles, or utilizing its fall detection feature, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic delivers on both style and substance, redefining what a smartwatch can do for your health and everyday convenience. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 42mm smartwatch, an exceptional companion for health enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals alike. Its standout feature is the cutting-edge body composition analysis directly on your wrist, offering insights into body fat, muscle mass, hydration levels, metabolic rate, and BMI. Perfect for those serious about fitness, it boasts advanced sleep tracking to ensure you wake up refreshed, alongside SpO2 monitoring for comprehensive health insights. With accurate ECG monitoring, it helps manage heart health by detecting irregular rhythms like atrial fibrillation, easily shared with doctors via Samsung Health Monitor. The watch excels in fitness tracking with automatic workout recognition for activities like running and swimming, and VO2 max readings to optimize endurance. Enjoy seamless integration with Google services, enabling tasks from navigation to music streaming. With its luxurious design and customizable faces and bands, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is not just a smartwatch but a stylish extension of your lifestyle, ensuring safety with features like GPS fall detection. Ideal for those seeking both functionality and elegance in wearable technology. Number 4. Samsung Electronics Galaxy Watch 4 40mm Smartwatch, a renewed marvel in wearable technology. With its sleek aluminum body finished in a timeless silver hue, this smartwatch combines style with functionality seamlessly. Perfectly sized at 40mm, it ensures comfort and elegance for any occasion, whether you're working out or attending a meeting. What truly sets the Galaxy Watch 4 apart is its advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities. Equipped with an ECG monitor and comprehensive fitness tracking features, it monitors your heart rate, tracks workouts, and provides insightful data on your overall well-being. The built-in GPS accurately maps your outdoor activities, from running to cycling, enhancing your performance monitoring with precision. The large AMOLED display delivers vibrant visuals, making it easy to check notifications, track fitness goals, and personalize watch faces. It offers an immersive experience that's both informative and engaging. Moreover, with fall detection and Bluetooth connectivity, it ensures safety and seamless integration with your other devices. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm smartwatch is the ultimate companion for health enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike, combining style, functionality, and innovation in one sleek package. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm R875 smartwatch, renewed to deliver unparalleled fitness and health monitoring right from your wrist. This advanced smartwatch is designed to help you achieve your wellness goals effortlessly. With built-in GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and LTE connectivity, stay connected and track your activities anywhere. It features comprehensive health tracking including ECG monitoring for accurate heart health insights and detection of atrial fibrillation, all accessible through the Samsung Health Monitor app for seamless integration with your Galaxy smartphone. The Galaxy Watch 4 also excels in sleep tracking, monitoring your sleep stages and SpO2 levels to ensure you wake up refreshed. Enhance every workout with automatic recognition of 6 different exercises and access to live coaching sessions via your smartphone, making fitness more engaging and effective. Plus, with GPS fall detection, this watch ensures safety by automatically alerting emergency contacts if a fall is detected. Elevate your fitness journey with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, where innovation meets health in one sleek wearable. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch's fall detection feature represents a significant advancement in wearable technology, offering peace of mind and safety benefits for users. Its seamless integration into daily life, coupled with impressive accuracy, underscores Samsung's commitment to innovation in health and wellness. Whether for older adults or active individuals, this feature could potentially save lives by swiftly alerting emergency contacts. Stay informed about the latest updates in wearable tech by subscribing, liking, and commenting below. Don't forget to share this video for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.